What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see it. Today is the day. Grandma Nana is leaving. Y'all probably like, what? Grandma Nana leaving, man. If you follow on Facebook, Instagram, all the other platforms, I just get spurred of the moment. Boom. I found some. I had my eye on some. So, I gotta buy her, man. Grandma Nana leaving. I'm finna dig her out. Then when the buyer come, gonna link up with him, man. And then I tell y'all about it, how I came to the conclusion, everything, all that later, man. But right now, I'm finna get back in the house, cause it's hot. Finna dig this out first, but y'all that ain't nothing to see. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we meet the buyer, man. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We gassed up. It's just a rainy day. Headed to meet the buyer of Grandma Nana, man. Get on the interstate. Y'all know how we do in the rain. We finna get it done, man. I hate it so rainy, but it is what it is. I'm finna get over here, man, and see what to it. Grandma Nana finna go to a new home, man. So y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all. We checking in. So y'all see Nana gone, man. Nana, you don't want to be on video. Alright, the new owner top secret. So if you see it riding around, I ain't even gonna tell you where it going, cause y'all from all over. So somebody gonna say, "Hey, I seen you now." Tell them. All right, Memphis. It going all the way to Memphis, man. Real good business. Hey, man of his word. We talked. He said he coming. Got the trailer and he coming. He came too. It's out of here. Grandma Nana, man. Boy, I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss her, man, but she out of here. So, hey, I hope he enjoyed. He finna put it in the game. He finna do it like she's supposed to be done. The same thing I was gonna do, but he probably gonna do it a little better than me. So, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. All right, y'all. Back home. Y'all can see, y'all probably like, Jay, what you doing, man? I told you, y'all, some of y'all that just watch on the vlog channel, all this new to y'all, like, what? But, Grandma Nana is out of here. It's gone to Memphis officially. Gone, man. Good to meet that brother. Like I said, he support on Instagram. He don't follow the vlog channel. He support on Instagram, but the person that was with him, I appreciate him, man. He support on all platforms and stuff. So it's always good. It's a pleasure to meet people that support you. And I know the car in good hands, man. I'm gonna get to see it again, and he gonna do some good thing with it, man. But y'all know if Grandma Nana gone, I got plans. Cause y'all know that Grandma Nana one of my favorite cars. I love that car. And I told him too. I said, brother, if my plan wasn't gonna fall through, you wouldn't have that car. I wouldn't sell it. Cause I started out doing another contest on it. Doing a contest, and I posted it. I went straight call. It was requested. I posted it for sale. First. And you know, you had people, man, they're too high. I had it for sale for $15,000. And I'm gonna do a whole video call. Y'all know I build these cars. If y'all been following, y'all know how many we done built from scratch and remixed and put our own touch on. Y'all know how many we done did in just the last 3-4 years alone. So I know how prices change. I've been doing it for 10+ years. So I see where the market at. And you know, man, too high. It's gone. But you know, I get it. Some people don't really do this. If you building one car, it's different. If you building one car and doing it a certain way, I still don't expect you to completely understand. You might be building a car catered toward rims and paint, and you might not go too wild on the engine. You might just do a stock rebuild or a straight LS swap, where labor might eat you up, but it might not be nothing to the LS besides a cam or something more people do. But when you get down, y'all know me, I cater toward performance first. When you get down to the nitty gritty, this stuff costs. So a lot of the guys that be seeing the car, all they saw was a stock Regal, because it's stock appearing. They don't know what the motor, or even though I put the specs out there, they still, if you don't have no idea of what it costs, then you ain't gonna know. But if you want an idea, just go to Summit Racing, just start going through stuff, small block part, the good small block part. Go through the AFRs, the darts, the Edelbrock. More people, everybody use Edelbrock. Go look for the $600 to $700 carburetor without the choke horn and choke tower. And start looking up that type of stuff, man. You know, and the big inch 3/4 primaries, two headers and stuff, man. And just start looking up that stuff. Put you all the ring parts now, not just the chunk and the ring and pinion. Do the install kit, the gears, do all the brakes, whether you keeping drum or disc. Just put all this stuff together and then start seeing what this stuff costs, man. Like, then people will start, I see. Cause even on a mild level, like wifey car or something, it still get expensive. But people, all they know the prices of paint and interior and wheels and disc brake kits, because that's all they do, cosmetic stuff. But I get it. But it's always somebody out there that gonna pay like they weigh. I'm one of them too. Like, I don't try to haggle a man price. If I see a post where I'm like, maybe I don't want to spend that, I ain't got to stop and verbally say, bro, you too high. That's how I feel like we talking. It's your price is your price at the end of the day. That's how I feel. Your price is your price. Either I want to pay it or I don't. But I hope you get your money. I'm not the one to determine whether that's too high or too low. Because if it's the right car and I want it, it ain't no price too high. That's just how you gotta think. If you know, if you can afford it, cool. You know, some people be like, it's a fool with money. No, it's not a fool with money. It's if you want it, you do it. Just like on a vacation. You don't look at what a vacation costs, because you can't put no dollar amount on an experience. It take for a certain people, you gotta reach a certain level in life up here. I ain't talking about finance, to understand the concept. You cannot put a dollar amount on an experience or what you want, what you really want. It don't matter. If you really want it, it don't matter. It really don't matter. And there's people mindset of stuff they really want. And you know, you got to determine, is this worth it? Do I want it? And especially if you run across a man or a woman that is not actually trying to sell their car, just get ready. You got to have an understanding, because what most people do, they put a price on your car before they even ask. What you take for it? That's why I don't ask it, man. I start doing it. If you're not, that's why I understand the make me an offer people now. Now, if you're actually selling something, don't come with that make me an offer. I really don't like that. What's your price? If you're advertising it for sale, what is your price? Just put it out there. Don't do the make me an offer stuff. Now, if I'm riding around, I ain't got no for sale sign in my car. I ain't posted for sale nowhere. And you ask me, I'm not advertising it for sale. Just have the understanding of pay like you weigh, cause if they're not advertising, they don't want to sell it. So then you like, I got to make them get out of it. If you want it that bad, you got to make them get out of it. And it's a few people like that that'll pay like that way. Like the don't game when I bought it, that's one of them cases. Like, my boy wasn't advertising the car for sale. I just came to him prepared to pay whatever he said. And that's what happened. He told me his number. I didn't say, man, hey bro, can you do 500 less? I just don't do that. I get it though. I mean, I don't knock nobody that try to negotiate. I get it. You want to get the best deal possible. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But I just don't get down like that, called I buy and sell too. So I like, all right, I'm coming to get it. Cause I wanted it. I wanted it when he first had it, but I know he didn't want to sell it then. He posted a live video. I said, what it'll take to make you get out of it? He told me a number. I did not try to haggle no one. I said, I'll be there to see you this weekend. And I, man of my word, got up that morning when he cashed that man out. And I'm happy. I ain't complaining, nothing. Even if people say, hey man, he got you.
He ain't get me, brother. I don't care what I paid for something. I ain't never been got caught. I paid it because I wanted it. You cannot get a man or a woman that paid for something that they want. I don't know why people say that, man. You got. If they paid it, they wanted it. They did not get got. That's all to it. Man, it ain't worth nothing. No, it worth whatever to them. It worth what they paid for it because they wanted it. That's how the game go. You got to go in the game like that. So, yeah, Grandma Nana gone. Grandma Nana gone. I got a lot of stuff shaking. I've been having a lot of stuff shaking. And y'all about to see. I told y'all, man, we cooking up. Kitchen cooking up, man. Y'all about to see. So, yeah, they're going to wrap it up, man. But I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG. We out.